Hello friends, today I will share with you recipes for perfect French crepes that you will definitely want to try. These crepes are perfect for wrapping any filling and make any breakfast delicious. Place 8 ounces of all-purpose flour in a bowl. Now add 3 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. I would be pleased to know from which city you are watching my video. Write to me in the comments. Friends, I'd be happy if you could give this video a like, as it's the best reward from you. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix everything well. Make a small well in the flour and break 3 eggs into it. I hope you also have a special axe for breaking eggs in your kitchen. If you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new similar recipes. Now gently start whisking. Recipe requires 17 fluid ounces of warm milk. Gradually add milk and whisk. Save about half of the milk for later. Do not pour it all into the batter. When you whisk a thick batter, there are no flour lumps left in it. Melt 1.5 ounces of butter in the microwave and add it to the batter. If you have any questions about the recipe, write to me, and I will answer as soon as I see it in the comments. The secret of the recipe is adding 1/4 teaspoon of vanillin and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Powdered vanillin can be replaced by 2 teaspoons of liquid vanilla extract. Pour the remaining milk into the batter and whisk everything well with a whisk one last time. The batter has the perfect liquid consistency and no lumps. Heat a frying pan over high heat and start cooking crepes. Depending on the diameter of your frying pan, add the required amount of batter. The layer should not be thick. As soon as the top side has become matte in color, turn the pancake over to the other side. Fry one side until golden brown and the other until brown spots appear. These crepes turn out perfectly thin. Just don't pour too much batter. I recommend using a pan with a non-stick or ceramic coating, then the pancakes will never stick. Continue cooking the crepes in the same way. This is definitely one of the best French crepe recipes that you will make very often. Just add any topping and your breakfast is ready. Let me know in the comments below the video what you think about this crepe recipe. Thank you for watching my video on the Fast and Easy Recipes YouTube channel.